can't believe how fast this turned into chaos. One second it was raining, then the sky literally started falling. Look at these stones. They're bouncing everywhere and turning my whole garden white. I had to see this for myself. It feels like the world just froze over. Absolutely wild. You guys, nature is literally throwing ice cubes at us right now. This hailstorm came out of nowhere, and it is absolutely relentless. Look at the size of these. It's so crazy we're even scooping them up just to see the total. The whole yard is turning white. I have never seen anything like this. Nature is wild.